Most of the images and videos you see online today are created with just one app. They did not actually pay any designer to do it. It was created in this app, which is known as OpenArt app. Looking right here on the screen, you can see that. So in today's video, I'm going to simply show you how to make use of this app. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So the first step you need to take is to go to your PC, either your PC or your Android or your iPhone device. Go to your browser like this and search for OpenArt. Just go ahead and search for OpenArt like this. Once you do that, this is what you're going to see. So you just simply need to go ahead and click on it like this. So once you click on it like this is what you're going to see. This is what the home page appears like. Now the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login option. So you just need to go ahead and click on that. You can see that it allows you to log in with your Google account. So you can just go ahead and click on your Google account or input your Google account, and you'd be able to log into the OpenArt app. Looking right here, you can see that you are now on the website. Now this is what the home page actually appears like. So looking right here on the screen, you can see that there are a lot of features on the screen, but don't allow that to confuse you. I'm going to explain all of those features in this video and break it down for you to be able to understand how the app actually works. So once you log in, they're going to give you 40 credits, which allows you to create images and videos on the OpenArt website. So now going back to the home page like this, here is actually the fun part. Looking here, you can see director, you can see videos, you can see image, you can see character, you can see word, you can see audio. Don't allow this to confuse you. I'm going to explain all of this for you. Looking right here at the left corner of the screen as well, you can see other features on the app. So right here on the screen, if you click on image like this, you are going to see the option of create image. So clicking on that like this, it is going to direct you to this section. Now looking right here, you can see the option of create image, you can see the option of image variation. So right here as well, you can see the option of describe what you want to see. So right here is where you need to drop in the prompt so that the OpenArt is actually going to create for you the realistic image or video that you want to create. But since we are creating an image, we've selected create image. So you just need to go ahead and type in what you want it to create for you. So right here on the screen is my own prompt. Now it says here, a futuristic cyberpunk city at sunset, flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra realistic. Now I added as well 8K. So you just need to add all the details you want to display on the image. Add all the details, the temperature, the stunning, the resolution. If you want it to be realistic, you just need to add every single details that need to be on the image. So once you're done doing that, before hitting the generate button right here, looking here as well, you can see the option of model. So if you click on that, it is going to expand like this. You can see that you have two options here, which is to use the ChatGPT. You can see ChatGPT option, or to use the nano banana. You can actually use any of them, either the ChatGPT option or the nano banana. So you can just go ahead and select any of them, then go ahead and click on the option of generate right here on the screen. So once you do that, the image is actually going to start generating. So you just need to be patient for the generation to be completed. So right here, you can see that the generation is now completed. So you can just check if it actually looks like what you want to create. And if it does not look like that, you can adjust your prompt and click on regenerate. You can see generate option, then go ahead and generate it. Or you can simply click on this place right here in order to increase the numbers of images that you are going to create at once. Once you do that, you'll be able to create multiple images and make your choice from the images you have actually generated. So looking right here is also an interesting feature on this OpenArt. If you click on images like this, looking right here, you can see the option of create image, which I've shown you guys what it actually looks like. So looking here, you can see the option of edit image. This is actually my favorite. If you click on edit image like this, let's go ahead and click on that and expand that. Looking right here, you can see edit image. On this section, looking right here, you can see add folder. You can actually create a new folder right here. Now right here on this section, you can actually remove the background image. You can upload your own image here and remove the background image. You can also swap the objects. You can also change the outfit. You can upscale the blurring picture if you want, and also you can even move someone from the picture out from the picture. This is what you can actually do as well on this OpenArt section here on edit image. So going back to the screen, let's go back to the home page. Now let's go ahead and click on home page like this. So looking right here, you can see characters. This is actually my favorite option as well. This is why a lot of creators are actually obsessed with this app. Right here, you can see create a character. You can also see character image. You can see character video, depending on the one that you want to actually create. So looking here, if you click on create character like this, character. Looking right here, you can see start from an image, you can see describe your character, you can see build your character. Depending on the one that you want to actually use to create your own character, if you want to start your own character with an image, you can actually choose this option. If you want to describe your character, you can actually go for this option, and if you want to build your own character, you can actually go for this option. This is actually a new feature here on OpenArt. So let's say you want to start from an image. If you select this one like this, you are going to see this option right here which says create character. You can actually go ahead and add the image, and then go ahead and add your name and the voice you want to be using, and also a background story. Then click on create, and it will be able to create it for you. So going back right here, let me simply go back. If you go back right here, looking right here, you can see describe your character. If you click on this one like this, so right here you just need to go ahead and describe your character, include the appearance, the style, the clothing, all the unique features you want to add for the character. Include it right here, then go ahead and click on generate, and it is going to be generated for you. So the other third option here is this one here which says build your character. If you go ahead and click on it like this, looking right here, you can see the look vibe that you can actually like. There are a lot of looks vibe right here, so you just need to select the type of one that you want. So let's say I select this one here. Looking right here, you can see gender. You can either select male or female, and right here you can either select any of these: East Asian, African, Latino, depending on the look you want it to be. Then go ahead and click on skip like this. Let me go ahead and select one. So right here you can see select age range. So right here you just need to add an additional description on how you want your character to look like, and then go ahead and click on generate, and it is going to be generated for you. So let me simply go back. So these are the features on OpenArt that you can make use of. Now the mistake beginners normally make is to create prompts that is too short, or to ignore the settings they need to actually set up before creating an image or video on the website. There's actually a genuine app which is meant for creating images, video, editing characters, all in one place. But here is actually the secret. You don't get good by watching videos all day about the OpenArt, watching different tutorials on how it works. You get good on the app by opening the app and practicing through the app, going through the app, navigating through all sections, and using different prompts in order to understand how the apps actually works. So by that way, you'd be able to understand properly how the app actually works. So with that being said, we've come to the very end of this video. This is simply how you can actually make use of the OpenArt app. So if you found this guide helpful, now do it to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. See you in the next one.